Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Foliate is not available in the official Ubuntu repositories. Instead, we will use a third-party personal package archive. To install it, add the PPA by running the following command. Now that the app is added, you can install it. To do this, run the following command. Once Foliate is installed, you can launch it by searching for Foliate in your application menu or by icon. Foliate will be launched. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.